Hi, I'm Phil Horne, top chef at Hero Fresh, and today I'm going to cook for you spicy mess king crab with a nice lemon chili butter sauce, and I've got a nice bread roll to be able to mop up all that sauce. So what we're going to need today is roughly around about 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, a couple of cloves of garlic, lemon, flat leaf parsley. Chili flakes are going to be to taste, completely optional here whether you want it or not. Highly recommend that. We've got our beautiful king crab, olive oil, a little bit of salt to taste, and roughly around about 150 mils of cold water. So to cook our crab is really straightforward. If you don't have any crab claws, the best thing to do is probably to cut the crab open before cooking. Once it's cooked, it can get a little bit fiddly, it can get a little bit difficult to be able to get all that meat out, and we really want to maximize the amount of meat that we're going to get from it. A nice pair of sharp scissors, and just cut right up one side. And then again on the other side. This will now make it a lot easier for us to be able to get the meat out after we've got the sauce on. So nice and hot pan, you hear that sizzling already. Water in. Okay, we're going to leave that for about 3 minutes. We'll come back shortly. So while our crab's cooking, we're just going to get our bread roll. This is just a fresh bread roll. We're just going to put that in the oven just to get it nice and crispy on the outside, just so it's ready for our dipping later. Okay, so the crab's been cooking for about 2 or 3 minutes now. I can already see that it's probably at least 2/3 cooked. I'm going to get that off the heat, leave it on the side, and then we're going to finish it in our sauce shortly. Wow, look at that. So we're just going to wipe the pan out now, give the clean out, and then we'll make our sauce. So for our sauce, we just need a medium to low heat on our pan. We're going to add about 4 tablespoons of butter and slowly just kind of emulsify that together. Okay, butter in. Olive oil, about 1 tablespoon. Garlic in. We're just going to give that 2 to 3 minutes just to let that start sweating down. Okay, a little pinch of chili flakes. So once that's all emulsified together, we're going to get our crab back in there, get our parsley in, then we're good to go. Okay, that's done now. We'll take that off the heat, let's serve it up. Make sure you get all of that sauce off the pan. Finish with a nice squeeze of lemon. All we need now is lots of napkins because this is going to get real messy, and our bread for dipping. Enjoy.